Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome guys in my YouTube channel. Let's start your local engineer lower. Anyone injured in a serious accident has more to worry about than the difficulty of communicating with the insurance companies. Resuming life as normal following an accident is extremely trying for the injured party and then family member. If you have been injured, you may have questions regarding compensation and just for your injuries. Seek legal guidance from MG Law, their team of experienced and hardworking attorneys as the answer. The attorneys at MG Law work to be leader in the courtroom and provide you with the best service and outcome in your case. We exclusively focus our practice on personal injuries matter. Example of personal injury matters include like that bicycle accident, child injury, crosswalk accident, drunk driving accident, car accident, mass tort motorcycle accident, nursing home neglect, pharmaceutical injuries, slip and fall injuries, track accident, wrongful death. Our personal injury focus ensure our lower share common values at the core of our firm. These values include leadership, service, and problem solving. These shared values ensure all clients get the same expert service and advocacy until case is over. The best possible outcome for his client is attained. Getting injured in a car accident can leave fighting with insurance companies to get the coverage that you need to pay the medical bills. If you have one of the best car accident lawyer on your side, you will have an advocate working for you to make sure you get what is owed to you. Best of all, you don't pay them until they get you money from the other party. Forbes has carefully researched and selected the best car accident attorneys in major cities across the US. Explore guidance to find the legal help you need and read out tips how to select the right lawyer for your case. How does insurance work is car accident law. Insurance plays a circular role in the aftermath of a car accident. It's the primary source of compensation for car accident victims. Understanding how it works can significantly impact the outcome of your claims process. Dealing with the at fault driver insurance company. After a car accident, you will typically have to deal with the at fault driver insurance company. The insurance company primary goal is to minimize payout, protect his bottom line. Thank you so much guys. Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon